We are proud to be representing this 1966 BMW R60/2 with a rare 1953 Steib LS 200 sidecar. In long-term ownership for over 33 years, this bike has been lovingly restored and shown at concours events. This /2 has had a whole host of upgrades, including less than 600 miles ago, a complete Joe Groger engine rebuild, with the final drive that's been switched out for sidecar gearing. It has the hella bar end turn signals with the rare red light rear lens. It has front and passenger rubber Denfield Solo saddles, and regarding the Steib sidecar, it was the project of a 5-year restoration. You can find out more information for this fine riding machine at www.ganowautoworks.com. Thank you.